this little animal might have the happiest face in the world. Meet the quokka, a small marsupial native to Western Australia. With its round face, tiny ears, and what looks like a permanent smile. The quokka has become one of the most recognizable animals on the internet. But that famous smile isn't actually a sign that it's happy. It's simply part of the quokka's natural facial expression. Still, it's pretty hard to look at one without smiling yourself. Quokkas are about the size of a domestic cat, and they spend much of their time searching for food, exploring their surroundings, and resting in the shade. They mainly eat plants, including grasses, leaves, and other vegetation. And here's something interesting: quokkas are marsupials. That means, like kangaroos, females carry their babies in a pouch. Baby quokka Joey spends its early life developing inside its mother's pouch before becoming independent. But there's another reason quokkas are so fascinating. They're naturally curious. Some quokkas may approach people, which helped make them internet stars. But despite how friendly they look, they're still wild animals and should be observed without feeding or touching them. Most wild quokkas are found on Rottnest Island, off the coast of Western Australia, as well as in a few areas on the mainland. Their island home has also helped protect them from some predators that threaten animals on the mainland. And although they look cute and harmless, quokkas are surprisingly tough. They can survive in environments where food and water aren't always easy to find. The next time you see a quokka looking straight into the camera with that famous smile, remember, it probably isn't smiling for the photo. That's just its face. But honestly, could you think of a better animal to brighten your day?